see, the living area is extremely spacious and it is designed in a very open space kitchen over here. First bedroom is designed in a very beautiful way. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Jain's Adhya by Jain's Housing and Constructions Ltd. The project is located in Semencheri, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project and this behind me is your marketing office. The land parcel as well is just behind the office. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. Now, coming over to the project overview, Jain's Adhya is a premium high-rise residential apartment project which is spread across approximately 2 acres of land parcel. The project features one residential tower with 4 levels of car parking plus basement plus one stilt, and it offers a total of 468 apartments, which is 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 70% plus open space. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers 80 plus lifestyle amenities designed for all age groups, such as a clubhouse with indoor games, party hall, swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, yoga, meditation zones, co-working spaces, and a lot more. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Semencheri, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now, that side of the road connects you to the OMR corridor. And this is your further connectivity. The connectivity nearby landmarks. Sholin-Galanur Junction is only 5 minutes away from here. TCS campus only 800 meters away. The proposed metro station only 2 minutes away. The ECR beach as well 15 minutes away. Now we'll be doing the actual sample flat tour for Jain Adhya for 2 BHK and the configuration for that is 918 square feet. Now, as we enter, we have first our door, which will come with proper lock system, so you can add your fingerprint there, and if you want to add extra lock system, that as well is there. So this is your living area. As you can see, the living area is extremely spacious and it is designed in such a way that if you want, you can add your extra shoe rack on that side of the corner, or an extra couch also can be added, and each side of your living area has been given proper electric units, so you can place your TV on this side of the living area. And because this space is also again extremely spacious, you can add extra living area storage on this side or your bookshelf or anything as you like. Now, your living area also comes with proper window systems which are extremely huge, so you can have a good sight view from the outside and good amount of ventilation source. Now the entire house is made by proper marble tile flooring and we have the vitrified tiles as well. Now as we enter, first we have a common wash basin space over here. If you want, you can design it that way for your guest or however you like it. And as you may have noticed, this side of the space again is extremely spacious, and so you can turn it into your dining area, or you can turn this into a dining area for your guest, or however you like. Basically, this is given that European style of open space kitchen and dining area place. Right in front of that, the best part is that you have your balcony right in front of that, which gives you a very perfect view of the entire locality, good amount of sunlight and ventilation. You can also place your couches or some more tables on the balcony. Now, from that side, you will notice that, like I mentioned, we have a very open space kitchen over here. So this is your kitchen. The kitchen again is shaped in a very storage-like, huge, spacious area. As you can notice, the entire storage unit for your kitchen is extremely spacious, and you also have a different electric units placed at each side. So if you want, you can, your washing machine, if you want, can come on this side, and your fridge also can come on this side. The window systems are also placed properly in the kitchen, so you get good amount of ventilation and sunlight. As you can see, the height ceiling in the kitchen is given perfectly, so you can place a lot of storage on the upside of your kitchen as well. This again comes with good marble flooring. Now we'll be entering into our first bedroom. As you can see, your first bedroom is designed in a very beautiful way. Now that the structure is ready, you can notice how the storage units are given extremely in a very round umbrella type of shape, which means that the room has enough storage unit space for you to add your extra clothes, or even if you want, that space is so huge that you can turn this into your walk-in closet as well. If you want, you can design it that way. And again, your first bedroom also comes with proper window systems. Now these windows are again extremely huge. You can open them. Again, have a great view of the entire locality and good amount of sunlight entering directly inside your bedroom. Now this room also comes with an attached washroom. The attached washroom also has proper marble flooring. Not just that, but good shower system, ventilation system, and enough spacious place for you. Now, as you can notice, we have a very common washroom which is directly close to your dining area. So this can be used as a guest bathroom or separate washroom for your kids. You can design it however you like. Again, we have a huge ventilation system, proper shower system, and spacious enough. Now, before we enter into our second bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. You see, as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the project information there. Like, we also provide you the actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find there the pros and cons of the project, EMI, down payment option, exclusive pricing details, and more than that, we also give you a proper 360 virtual tour of the project. And if you want to come for a site visit or book the site visit, it is completely free. You can click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com and you can find everything there. Let's enter into our second bedroom. So this is going to be your second bedroom. As you can see, the second bedroom storage units have also been designed in a very U-shape type of area. So you can add your extra storage units on each side of your room very easily. Not just that, but you can also add an extra TV in your second room as well. This side of the space can be designed as your study area, your drawing area, or you can add a small bookshelf corner here as well. Now, this side of your room again comes with proper huge window systems. This will also give you another side of the view of the location. Not just that, but enough amount of sunlight to enter into your room. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Jane Adhya for 2 BHK. Hope you liked the video. For more such walkthroughs of the video, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.